So once again, amazing traders of the world, you guys are welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Chart King, and what we do right here is we try to simplify the complicated chart for you to be able to go in and trade and make money for yourself. So guys, this is a section of our YouTube channel that we come online to analyze the chart and predict what price will be doing in the coming week, so that you guys can go on there and take advantage of price movement. Now, before we go ahead and predict the price, we are going to be talking about gold today, and we're also going to be talking about Nasdaq, and we're also going to be talking about AUD/JPY. Now, these are the three charts we're going to be talking about. We're going to be telling you guys what is going to happen in the coming weeks, right? It might play out next week, it might play out the coming days, right? So guys, you guys want to pay attention to what we're going to be talking about in today's video. But before we proceed with this video, let's just do a little bit of recap on our previous predictions, okay? Because obviously, since this year, all the video we have done have all played out exactly the way we analyze it. What we say is going to do, it has go ahead to do what we say it was going to do. Now, this is amazing. So it's important that you guys pay close attention whenever we come online like this to analyze the chart for you guys to make money for yourselves. Okay, now I'm sure that what I'm going to be doing today is going to put that extra cash in your pocket. Now let's go and see what we have done before and see if our analysis actually played that. So as you can see on your screen right now, what we have right here is US oil. Now remember last week when we did the analysis, we told you guys that this market will be moving from this key level to this level, and it has done just exactly that. It has taken out this major major trend line eventually, even though it disturbed it. As you can see, I warned earlier about this trend line. Now it has come here to put out another highs right here. So guys, go and watch the video so that you guys will see my full prediction on this pair. So it has played out exactly as we have said. Now remember, we also talked about Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, we told you guys that it was going to be selling, right? And when we did the analysis, it was around here. We also remember in the video we mentioned specifically that you should look for double top, right? We mentioned it right here. So guys, if you had listened to what we said, if you have watched our video, so guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, because I've just discovered that a lot of people are watching our channel and they are not subscribing, please guys, try to subscribe, like our videos and share, so that to get a lot of more people and you help the channel to grow. Okay, it's important that you do that for us, guys. Please and please. So guys, as you can see right now on your chart on the screen, right, the market has actually given us over 200 pips movement, right, from the very signal we gave out. Because when I did the analysis, we gave out signal. We told you guys that you should allow the market to come here and give us a double top, and the market came here and did exactly that, guys. Now this is amazing. This is skills at play right here, and I'm doing this thing for you guys to be able to make money with it, right? As you can see, we still have up to more pips to go. We still have up to about 30 to 400 pips to cover, because remember our direction, this is where we're expecting it to come to parity level, which is 1:1, 1 euro to $1. That's when we're expecting it to go. So it's more 200 pips drop, so you should be expecting more sales in this pair. Now this is our last week prediction, which have eventually played out exactly as I have said. So without any further ado, let's just go into today's prediction and show you guys what you should be expecting in the coming week. So guys, in today's video, the first pair we're going to be talking about is called Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq. A lot of you guys know about Nasdaq. Now before we do anything, we have to go to the monthly before you do your analysis. I've always done that in this channel, and also try to teach you guys that before you do your top-down analysis for every new week, it's important you look at the monthly to see what the hell is going on. Now as you can see, this pair is on the bullish trajectory. There's no gainsaying, there's no too much talk about it. Everyone, even the child, can see that this thing is bullish, right? But if you take a look at the last month, you will discover that the last month has given us a shooting star. Now a shooting star signify the end of a trend. Right now a new trend is about to start. Now the market is about to become bearish, okay, but the overall move, it is what? Bullish. Now let's go to the weekly and see what is going on with the week. Right, as you can see, this is just the confirmation of the higher time frame. Right now this trend line right here is supporting this trend, has been holding up this trend for a very long time, right? Since for the longest, right, has been holding this trend. Okay, as you can see, this is another weekly trend line right here, which is also supporting the buys, right? So guys, the buys are higher. Every sell we see here is just a retracement. Now what you need to do is either you can actually, if you have a confirmation, you can enter for sell and also catch the retracement, but the major moves are always buys. But in the coming weeks, because of what we are seeing in the chart, we should be expecting sales for the coming weeks. Okay, so let's just go for the dailies. Okay, now in the dailies, guys, you're going to discover that we are beginning to see a higher low, right? There is a higher low right here. There is a higher low right here, right? There is a low right here, but there's not be able to print a lower low, because once there's once there's a lower high, I meant to say, once there's a lower high, this is a lower high, this is a higher low, this a higher high, this high is higher than this high, so this is called higher high. This low is lower than this high, this is called a lower high, and this another lower high. Okay, now we're expecting a lower low right here. Okay, we're expecting this market to come and give us a lower low, but as you can see, as we have clearly spotted out from the daily, yes, there are some resistance right here. Okay, there are some minor resistance that might affect the market moving forward. Now the market has eventually broken the weekly trend line, which is indicating that it might sell for a very it might go down to I think 19.897, but I'm not certain that it's going to reach there, because the bullish overall market is still bullish, so it can just come to this resistance right here and then push up. But before we decide what to do, let's just go to the 4 hours. Let's see what's happening. Remember, the monthly is giving us sell, the weekly is giving us sell, so definitely we should be looking for a sell opportunity in the coming weeks until the sell fizzle out, where we are supposed to be selling this market right now. Okay, so we should be looking for a good, very good sell entry right here. Now, as you can see, for this market to eventually become bullish, it will need to take out this counter trend line right here. This is a CTL. Once the CTL is taken out, you are sure the market is continuing to the upside. But as long as the market is trading below this trend line and below this guy, it means it is massively selling. It's massively bearish. Okay, now there's no clear entry on the 4 hours. Let's look out for an entry on the 1 hour. So as you can see right here, there's a clear entry, right? The market have broken the trend line, came back to retest, and it is going down. So this is a very good selling opportunity. If you are watching this video right now, you are probably in luck. Okay, you can just sell this market and you're going to make a lot of money for yourself. Right, I can just go ahead and sell this market if you give us a little more pullback, so that our stop loss will not be too much. Okay, if you can give a little pullback, you can sell it to this. Let me show you the level. You can sell this market to this key level, right? This resistance, this is a support. Actually, it's a support level that have held this market up before. Now this is a support that is at 23.328, so you expect the market to drop to 23.28. So guys, we are expecting a sell for Nasdaq, right? The market is massively bearish, so next week is going to be a sell, but there are some level you should watch out for. There is the 2631, right? Those are the level you should watch out for. That is this I think support level right there, and then there's this support level right here also, this support level, and that is 2741. Now this is a support level that is capable of shooting the market back to the top, right? The market can possibly come here and then shoot back. So if you enter this market, if the market gives us a little bit pushback before dropping continuously, right, you should mark your first take profit at the end of this candlestick here. This should be your first take profit, second take profit, and then third take profit for next week. So you should be expecting sales, but the market can come to this once this level is clear. This is the most important level for this market, that is the 2736. Once this level is cleared, then you are certain it's coming to 2328, because I'm expecting it might come here, give us a double bottom, and then shoot up. That can actually happen, so you should watch out, right? Once there's a double bottom right here, then you want to close this trade has become invalid. Until this level is completely taken out, then you are certain that it is coming to 2328. Now that is my prediction for Nasdaq. Let's go on to gold, okay, and see what gold is going to be having for us in the coming days. Now if you go to the monthly, let's go to the monthly and see what is happening. Okay, as you can see, gold is massively bullish from the monthly. There's nothing much to do right there. As you can see, all the monthly has been bullish for a very long time. Okay, so let's just go to the weekly and see if we can spot any opportunity right there. Now what you are looking at in the weekly, like this is a zone, it's a key level, and we can spot like 2 weekly key levels, but the market is way beyond those key levels. So guys, and as you can see right here, we can also spot something else. I don't know guys, you guys are seeing the chart pattern I'm seeing right there. There's a chart pattern which is called I think this bearish ascending triangle, right? Ascending triangle. Okay, let me just put it right there. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this guys. As you can see. Now, there's one thing I know about gold. Gold always respects chart pattern. So what you should be expecting in this market, right? I should expect a break right there, okay, and then a retest, then continuation to the upside, right? So you should look for this pattern probably in the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. So that's what we should be expecting from gold. As you can see, so the weekly is telling us that the gold should be bullish. Now let's go to the daily. Okay, the weekly I've told you that gold is supposed to be bullish. Now what's happening is in the daily, you can spot some daily key levels right here. These are key zones, right? We told you guys that the market moved from zone to zone. Okay, as you can see, it moved from this zone to this zone to this zone, back to this zone, up to this zone. As you can see, it has been moving from zone to zone, right? So we expect this market to also come to this level. So we are looking for buys into this level right now. Okay, so in the next week you should be expecting the buys to come to 2722. Okay, and when it eventually takes it out, it should come to 2788. Now this, but as for next week, we're expecting the buy to come to 27. So you should be looking for entry to that key level, right? This is our daily key level, right? As you can see, the market has eventually broken the trend line. There's a CTL trend line right here, a counter trend line, right? The market has taken out this counter trend line, right, and it is giving a retest. Okay, so all you need to do is to look for a very good entry that will take us to this key level. Now that's what you should be expecting for gold. Gold is going to be bullish in the coming week. So guys, you guys want to pay attention to that. The last but not the least is the Audjpy. Now let's just go in and run through this ASAP. So guys, as you can see very clearly, we are having a what we call 3 key levels right there. We're able to spot 1, 2, 3. Okay, the upper, the middle, and the lower key levels. Okay, so this market has come to a previous key level and it is rejecting. We told you that market moved from key level to key level, so expect market to move from here to here. As you can see, it didn't actually touch it, so the market is probably coming back to retest this key level. So the monthly is saying we should sell this market. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, now as you can see, the weekly, the market is giving us a higher low. Okay, it's giving us a lower high. This is a high, this is a lower, and this is a lower high. The market is giving us a lower high. Okay, as you can see, the market is already dropping. But let's go to the daily to see if we can spot anything right there. Now on the daily, we can spot 2 key daily levels, right? And we told you that the market moved from zone to zone, so we're expecting this market to move from this key level to this key level. Now these are daily key levels, so the market is expected to drop to 93.60. now Audjpy, you heard it here, right? You heard it first right here, guys. This market is going to be dropping to 93,660. so that's, you guys should take advantage of this. Now can you guys get a very good entry? Now let's go to the 4 hours to look for a very good entry. As you can see, we are seeing something like a rising channel right here. Okay, there's a channel right here, right? And you guys always know what happens to channels. Once there's a break, there's always a massive push. Okay, now this is a falling rising channel, or is it a falling channel, what you call it? But you know what to expect, guys. You know what to expect when you see a channel like this. It's definitely going to break and then drop, right? So it's definitely going to range, allow it to complete its range. Okay, and then the major move is what? Sell. Okay, the major move for this market is what? Sell. So guys, this is still possible for you to shoot up because of this support right here, to shoot up, to come here for the very last time before dropping. But the major move for this market is sell. So you should be looking out for a selling opportunity to take it down to 93.60. now this is amazing, and you guys are going to be making a lot of money with these pairs we just talked about in this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos, guys. Now turn on your notification bells so that when amazing videos like this drop, you're going to be one of those to take advantage of it. So guys, thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. I hope you have learned a lot in today's analysis. So bye for now, and then do take care of yourself.